Are paper bags really better than plastic bags?
Many people assume paper bags are the greener choice compared to plastic. But is it that simple? Let's break down the environmental impacts of both options to see which comes out on top and why this question is more complicated than it first appears.
How are paper and plastic bags made?
Manufacturing paper bags requires cutting down trees, using large amounts of water, and consuming more energy than plastic. Plastic bags are made from petroleum, a non-renewable resource, but their production uses less energy and water. Both processes lead to emissions, but paper's footprint can be larger at this stage.
What about use and durability?
Plastic bags are lightweight, strong, and can be used multiple times if handled carefully. Paper bags tend to tear more easily and usually have a shorter lifespan. If both are used just once, neither is a clear winner. Reusing any bag as much as possible is key to reducing its footprint.
How do they affect the environment after use?
Plastic bags can remain in the environment for hundreds of years, often harming wildlife and causing pollution. Paper bags decompose more quickly and are less harmful if littered, but they still require landfill space if not recycled. Both types contribute to waste if not properly disposed of or reused.
Which is more likely to be recycled?
Paper bags are recycled at higher rates than plastic, thanks to existing infrastructure and public awareness. Plastic bags are accepted by fewer curbside programs and often end up as litter or in landfills. However, both have relatively low recycling rates compared to other materials.
So which is really greener?
Neither paper nor plastic bags are perfect. Paper has higher production costs, while plastic poses greater pollution problems. The best choice is to minimize single-use bags altogether. Bring your own reusable bag and reuse any single-use bags multiple times before recycling or disposing of them properly.